If your YouTube channel is stuck, no views, no growth, no subscriber, I'm about to show you small thing most creators never check. It's not your content, it's not the algorithm, it's some setting that's silently killing your channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 9 dangerous YouTube settings that are killing small channel and how to fix them. Now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is wrong channel keyword. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. If your channel does not have a keyword or that space is empty, you are going to confuse the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube algorithm needs the keyword to know the particular people, like the particular set of people to push your content out to. The second setting I'll be talking about is not setting your country region. This is where a lot of people just look past it, and it's very wrong, because if the country region you put on your channel is not correct, or you didn't even put anyone, YouTube is going to send your videos, or it's going to show your video to the wrong region. And if people are not watching your video, that's going to lead to your channel having low click-through rate and low views. So whenever you want to start a YouTube channel, or you have not set that country region, I want you to go to your YouTube studio right now and set it. And this is very important, especially if you are targeting a specific type of audience. Example, if you are targeting all those UK foreign audiences, always set your country region in that area, so that YouTube is going to show your content to those people. Now, the third one is made for kids setting. This can destroy your channel badly, and this is what a lot of people don't know. They keep their channel on made for kids without them even knowing. Because if your channel is put on made for kids, if your channel is the setting is on made for kids, YouTube is going to show your channel, your videos, to people under the age of 13 below. But if your channel is not made for kids, then people from 18 and above, except you are making videos made for kids. But if your videos are not made for kids, like all those, all those cartoon videos, all those kind of stuff, if you are not making those type of video, they'll keep your channel, remove it from made for kids, so that YouTube is going to show your content to older people. Because if your channel is on made for kids, your comment is going to get disabled. Like, people will not be able to comment on your videos, and your notification is going to reduce. The way you receive notification, and your engagement will drop, it will drop drastically. The fourth thing is not using default upload setting. Anytime you come here on YouTube, you make this particular mistake. You don't optimize your description, because your description, anytime you upload a video here on YouTube, the YouTube algorithm is going to read the first few lines of your description. From the description, is now going to know the type of niche you are doing and the type of people to recommend your content to. That's why you need to always try your best as possible to optimize your description. And also your video, you are not making use of tags. Tags are very important. Always make use of tags, and remember, relevant tags, not random tags. Make use of relevant tags that are relevant to your niche. Then you also add links to your video, like the links of your other video. You can add the links of your other videos, or the link to your channel. If someone is reading your description from there, they can access your other video or even subscribe to your channel. That's why this is very important. Now, the fifth setting you need to turn on is disable comment. If your comment is off, your engagement is going to be very low, because the more people comment on your video, this is going to send a signal to the YouTube algorithm that your video is good. I know a lot of people turn this off because of they are having hate comments and stuff like that. Yeah, me too. I've also expressed this. There was a time I was having a lot of hate comment, that this made me just disable my comment, like nobody was commenting on my video. If you are doing that, you need to turn it on, because your YouTube algorithm does not really care about whether the comments you're having is hate or is a negative or a positive comment. It does not care about that. It does not know the difference between hate and a positive comment. The most important thing, at least people are engaging on your video, because if your video is not good, nobody is going to engage on it. That's just the true fact. Whether it's a hate comment or a good comment, fast someone commented on that video, that means that video is actually good. So now the sixth setting is wrong video category. This is where a lot of most people ignore, and it's very powerful. If your video is not categorized, or your channel in general is not in a particular category, YouTube may not recommend your video properly, because you need to categorize your video for YouTube to know the particular niche you are doing. Now, the seventh setting is not adding channel trailers. Yes, channel trailers is very important, because if people come to your channel, what did they see? Nothing. That's why channel trailer is very important. Channel trailer are like, you are just going to a list of videos that if people come on your channel, they are going to see, like those first videos they are going to see. Like, it's just like a way of you advertising your channel, telling people, oh, this is what my channel is all about. This is what my channel is all about. Now, the number 8 setting I'm going to be talking about is ignoring permission and copyright setting. And this is very important for those people who are into faceless content. If your visuals or the audio you are using on your faceless video are not have the copyright authorization, if you bring it here on YouTube is going to give you a strike, and this can lead to your channel getting banned, like you're going to lose your channel. So in order to be in a safer side, I will advise that you use audios from the YouTube Music app or the YouTube Studio. Yes, there are audios, a lot of audios you can use there. Now, the last setting I'm going to talking about is not connecting your Google Ads and advanced features. I'll fix this 9 setting on your channel today, not tomorrow, because every day you delay, you are losing views, subscribers, and engagement. Now, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe now, because I break down real YouTube growth strategy that helps small creators to grow here on YouTube. And before you go, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section which of these settings you have been ignoring, and let's fix your channel together. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Till I see you to the next one. Peace out.